Hi all, welcome to the video. In this video we will see how we can install PHP on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So let's get started. First open a new terminal. Before installing PHP, make sure list of packages in the system is up to date. So type sudo apt update and hit enter. Type user password and press enter. Now type sudo apt install PHP and press enter. Type Y to confirm and hit enter. It may take some time for the installation to complete, so wait until the installation is finished. Now the installation is complete. Let's clear the terminal. Now we will verify the installation by running command php-v. As you can see, PHP version 8.3.6 is successfully installed. So you have learned how to install PHP on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Thank you for watching the video.